This is how you're going to share an account on Hostinger. Hostinger supports creating multiple accounts or access levels for management, not strictly sharing the primary login. First, you're going to log into your Hostinger H panel, and then you're going to head over to your account or the profile section usually accessed by clicking your name or icon in the top right. Now, you're going to look for a feature called Team, Access Management, Manage Users, or you can just click on Account Sharing. So it all depends on the layout of your Hostinger H panel. Now, you can just invite um a new user by entering their email address. You can set the permissions for what they can access, like for example, website files, backups, and billing. So you can do that by clicking on the grant access tab instead of the request access, and then from here you're going to click on grant access, and then again you're going to enter their email address right here. You're going to give them the permission roles and then the managed services. And then after that, you're just going to click on grant access. Now the invited user will create their own login credentials, giving them access to the parts of the account you specified. And that is how you're going to share an account and Hostinger. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.